Introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are ripping away the comfortable lies and delicate illusions that keep modern men trapped in toxic, parasitic dynamics, diving straight into the raw, unapologetic truth of female psychology to expose the exact red flags that mean you need to pack your bags and run for your life. The title of this video is, If She Does This, Run. 7 Hidden Signs That Exorcise Her Completely, Female Psychology, Stoicism. Before we go any further, hit that subscribe button right now because the principles we break down in this masterclass will fundamentally alter how you evaluate women, how you protect your peace, and how you walk away from toxic destruction without looking back. Open your mind, drop your weak, blue-pilled conditioning, and listen with absolute focus. Most modern men suffer needlessly in toxic relationships because they are terrified of being alone, ignoring glaring warning signs, and hoping that love can fix a fundamentally broken character. High-value men who command absolute respect operate under a completely different paradigm, one built on uncompromising standards, razor-sharp discernment, and the sovereign willingness to eliminate anyone who threatens their internal peace. When a woman exhibits deep-seated manipulative traits, she is testing your boundaries to see if you are man enough to protect your own life or weak enough to let her drag you down into the mud. Think of the ancient Stoic philosophers who taught that a man's life is what his thoughts make it, meaning you cannot afford to entertain toxic influences that poison your mental clarity and destroy your inner citadel. When you ignore these hidden signs, you become an accomplice to your own destruction, trading your sacred masculinity for the hollow comfort of a dysfunctional companion. Ask yourself this: how much of your mental health, your hard-earned success, and your self-respect have you already sacrificed to appease a woman who brings nothing to your life but chaos? That is the foundational question we are going to unpack today as we break down the 7 hidden signs that expose her completely, anchored by historical mastery, Stoic philosophy, and uncompromising reality. Stay with me through the beginning of this journey because this knowledge will change how you view women and self-preservation forever. 1. The chronic faking of accountability and the weaponization of eternal victimhood. When a woman systematically refuses to accept responsibility for her own destructive choices and constantly casts herself as the innocent, persecuted victim of every circumstance, that is your absolute cue to run. If she does this, she is revealing a deeply toxic core of narcissism and emotional immaturity that will slowly poison your life if you allow her to stay within your perimeter. Instead of owning her mistakes, she twists reality, gaslights your perception, and turns every legitimate argument into an emotional battlefield where she demands that you comfort her for the damage she caused. An ordinary, weak-kneed man falls for this manipulation trap every single time, stepping into the role of the apologetic caretaker while she escapes accountability and repeats her toxic behavior without a second thought. Think of the ancient Stoic philosopher Seneca, who taught that the first and greatest punishment for a man is that he is never right with himself, noting that emotional dishonesty and the refusal to face objective reality destroy a person's soul from the inside out. When you tolerate a woman who treats accountability like a mortal enemy, you invite endless chaos into your private world and surrender your right to live in objective truth. Ask yourself this: why do you continue to negotiate with a woman whose entire emotional survival depends on her ability to rewrite history and make you feel guilty for her failures? By recognizing this red flag for what it is, refusing to buy into her theatrical tear-jerking, and protecting your mental clarity with cold, unbothered boundaries, you see her true nature exposed. You realize that a woman who cannot own her flaws is a liability to your future, giving you the immediate clarity to walk away and preserve your sovereign peace before she drags you down into her perpetual drama. 2. The calculated isolation of your life from your purpose and allies. When a woman begins launching a slow, calculated campaign to sever your ties with your loyal friends, undermine your dedication to your personal goals, and demand that your entire existence revolve exclusively around her, you are witnessing a textbook predator at work, and you need to run. If she does this, she is exhibiting the classic psychological hallmark of insecurity and control, attempting to dismantle your external support systems so she can easily manipulate your reality without outside interference. She will throw tantrums when you spend time building your empire, guilt-trip you for honoring your commitments to your brothers, and treat your personal ambitions as a direct threat to her dominance. An ordinary, weak-minded man surrenders his independence piece by piece, slowly abandoning his inner circle and his sacred mission just to keep the peace with a demanding woman who only wants to shrink his world. Think of the ancient Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius, who reminded himself that his life and his duty belonged to a higher purpose of rational service and self-mastery, refusing to let external emotional attachments compromise his sovereign path. When you allow a woman to shrink your perimeter and isolate you from your fortress of strength, you commit high treason against your own potential and hand over the keys to your destiny. Ask yourself this: why would you voluntarily trade the brotherhood of great men and the pursuit of your life's work for the suffocating cage of a woman's insecure demands? By standing like an immovable wall against her attempts at isolation, refusing to sacrifice your purpose, and holding your ground with absolute authority, you expose her manipulative design. You see clearly that a woman who tries to sever you from your mission is an enemy of your growth, empowering you to cut the cord immediately and reclaim absolute dominion over your life. 3. The weaponization of intimacy and the transactional withdrawal of affection. When a woman uses physical affection, emotional warmth, and basic intimacy as a manipulative currency to punish you, control your behavior, and bend you to her will, that is your undeniable cue to run. If she does this, she is revealing a cold, transactional nature that treats genuine connection as a weapon, withholding basic human warmth the moment you assert your boundaries or refuse to cave to her demands. Instead of communicating like a mature adult, she freezes you out, plays silent games, and uses her body and emotions as leverage to make you beg for her approval. An ordinary, weak-willed man folds instantly under this pressure, apologizing for standing his ground and groveling for affection just to restore peace, thereby validating her toxic emotional blackmail. Think of the ancient Stoic philosopher Epictetus, who taught that a man must never make his happiness dependent on things that are controlled by the whims of others, meaning your peace of mind should never be held hostage by someone else's manipulation. When you tolerate a woman who treats intimacy like a reward system for your compliance, you degrade your masculine dignity and teach her that your self-respect has a cheap price tag. Ask yourself this: how long are you going to allow a manipulative partner to starve you of peace and use your natural desire for connection as a leash to drag you around? By recognizing this tactic for what it is, maintaining absolute emotional detachment, and refusing to dance to her manipulative tune, you shatter her control over your emotional state. You expose her profound lack of genuine loyalty and gain the crystal-clear clarity needed to walk away from her toxic games, ensuring your emotional sovereignty remains completely uncompromised and firmly in your own hands. 4. The pathological compulsion to constantly disrespect your boundaries. When a woman repeatedly and intentionally stomps all over the hard boundaries you have set, testing your limits just to see how much disrespect you will tolerate without walking away, that is your ultimate cue to run. If she does this, she is displaying a fundamental contempt for your authority as a man, operating under the arrogant assumption that your rules are merely suggestions meant to be broken whenever they inconvenience her. Instead of respecting your word, she belittles your standards, crosses lines you explicitly drew in the sand, and acts shocked and victimized when you hold her accountable for her blatant boundary violations. An ordinary, low-value man constantly lowers his standards to accommodate her bad behavior, teaching her through his pathetic compliance that he has no backbone and will accept any level of mistreatment. Think of the ancient Stoic philosopher Seneca, who noted that a man who does not value his own self-respect and dignity invites the contempt of the entire world, meaning your boundaries are the literal armor of your soul. When you allow a woman to repeatedly violate your core rules without facing swift, permanent consequences, you communicate to her and the universe that your word carries zero weight. Ask yourself this: why do you continue to grant elite access to your life to a woman who views your sacred boundaries as an obstacle to be manipulated rather than a law to be honored? By standing firm as an unbendable wall, refusing to negotiate your standards, and preparing to walk out the door, you expose her deep-seated lack of reverence for your masculine frame. You realize that a woman who actively disrespects your boundaries is corrosive to your empire, giving you the absolute clarity to cut her loose and preserve your sovereign dignity. 5. The relentless fabrication of drama and the creation of manufactured chaos. When a woman cannot go a single day without creating a crisis out of thin air, picking pointless fights over imaginary slights, and turning your peaceful life into an exhausting circus of manufactured drama, that is your undeniable cue to run. If she does this, she is revealing a chaotic internal ecosystem and an addictive need for emotional turbulence, using constant friction to keep you off balance and hyper-focused on her whims. Instead of bringing peace, stability, and sanctuary to your life, she acts as a walking storm that drains your energy, sabotages your focus, and steals the mental clarity required to build your future. An ordinary, weak-minded man gets sucked into these endless circular arguments, exhausting himself trying to reason with an unreasonable person and letting his life's work slide into total disarray. Think of the ancient Stoic emperor, Marcus Aurelius, who reminded himself that you have the power to withdraw into your own soul at any moment, refusing to let the turbulent noise of chaotic people pollute your inner peace. When you allow a toxic woman to fill your days with endless drama, you voluntarily chain yourself to an anchor that drags you down into the depths of mediocrity and mental exhaustion. Ask yourself this: why do you trade the sacred, productive silence of a focused life for the exhausting, toxic theater of a woman who is addicted to her own internal chaos? By stepping back with absolute, unbothered emotional coldness, refusing to engage in her trap-filled arguments, and observing her circus with detached amusement, you expose her true nature. You see clearly that a woman who thrives on manufactured chaos is an active threat to your sanity, empowering you to walk away permanently and restore absolute, unshakable peace to your domain. 6. The pathological pattern of secretiveness and the concealment of hidden lives. When a woman exhibits a compulsive, calculated need for absolute secrecy, hiding her phone screens, constantly guarding her digital footprint, and weaving an intricate web of hidden lives that she desperately keeps sealed away from your view, that is your undeniable cue to run. If she does this, she is signaling with blinding clarity that she is operating with a dual agenda, protecting illicit connections and treating your partnership as a convenient facade while her real energy is invested elsewhere. Instead of embracing transparency and open communication as the bedrock of a high-value bond, she treats basic honesty like an interrogation, turning defensive, volatile, and accusing you of being insecure whenever you question her shady behavior. An ordinary, low-value man allows himself to be gaslit by her theatrical outrage, doubting his own razor-sharp intuition and swallowing his gut instincts just to avoid a fight, thereby enabling her deceit. Think of the ancient Stoic philosopher Seneca, who warned that a guilty conscience never rests easy, noting that those who live in deceit are constantly tortured by the fear of being exposed, meaning her intense secrecy is a direct window into her corrupt character. When you ignore these blatant warning signs of hidden behavior, you make yourself a willing participant in a deception that will eventually implode your entire world. Ask yourself this: why would you invest your heart, your time, and your valuable energy into a woman whose entire existence feels like a classified government document designed to deceive you. By trusting your gut instinct, refusing to fall for her gaslighting, and cutting off her access to your life with cold, unyielding finality, you shatter her illusions. You expose the rotting foundation of her deceit, giving yourself the ultimate gift of clarity and the absolute power to walk away before her hidden life destroys your peace. 7. The utter contempt for your ambitions and the sabotage of your future. When a woman shifts from subtle passive-aggressive comments to an open, blistering contempt for your ambitions, mocking your grandest visions, belittling your hustle, and actively sabotaging the very pursuits that define your manhood, that is your ultimate cue to run. If she does this, she is revealing a malicious, envious core that cannot tolerate seeing you rise above her level of mediocrity, attempting to clip your wings so you remain safely tethered to her low standards. Instead of acting as your sanctuary and your peace, she becomes a saboteur within your own walls, pouring cold water on your fires of ambition and trying to make you feel foolish for daring to conquer greatness. An ordinary, weak-willed man shrinks his dreams to accommodate her insecurity, dampening his brilliance just to appease a partner who resents his drive to win. Think of the ancient Stoic philosopher Epictetus, who taught that you must keep your gaze fixed firmly on your highest principles and refuse to let the small-minded cynicism of others drag you down into the dust of ordinary failure. When you allow a toxic partner to devalue your life's mission, you commit the ultimate betrayal against your own potential, trading your destiny for the comfort of someone who wants you to fail. Ask yourself this: why would you share your sacred vision and your future empire with a woman who looks at your drive with bitter contempt instead of deep, unwavering reverence? By standing tall as an unbreakable king, refusing to justify your ambitions to a detractor, and cutting her out of your life with ruthless precision, you expose her toxic envy. You realize that a woman who hates your drive is an anchor sinking your ship, giving you the final, unshakable power to walk away and dedicate your life entirely to absolute, uncontested victory. We have ripped away the comfortable lies of modern dating and exposed the raw, unapologetic truth of female psychology, breaking down the exact red flags that mean you must pack your bags and run for your life. Let this masterclass settle deep into your core today as you reflect on the brutal journey we just mapped out: the chronic faking of accountability, the calculated isolation of your life, the transactional withdrawal of intimacy, the constant disrespect of your boundaries, the relentless fabrication of drama, the pathological pattern of secretiveness, and the utter contempt for your ambitions. The hard-hitting truth you must permanently etch into your brain right now is that a modern man who stays in a toxic dynamic out of fear or pity is voluntarily choosing to remain a broken prisoner in his own game. When you drop the cowardly habit of making excuses for disrespect, reject the delusion that you can fix a broken character, and step forward with absolute, unbothered psychological command, you completely rewrite the rules of your reality. You are a man of profound history, earned wisdom, and supreme authority, and your mental fortress should never be breached by anyone who does not command your level of dedication. If you want to conquer your mind, decode female psychology, and command the absolute devotion of high-value women in your chapter of maturity, you do not tolerate poison. You master your internal landscape. You rule your empire with an iron grip, and you make your purpose your only true mistress. Your mind is your sacred weapon, your focus is your crown, and your unwavering self-mastery is an unshakable force that cannot be broken. Before you click away from this video, hit that subscribe button right now to lock in these life-changing truths, drop your unfiltered thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to revisit this channel the next time you need a fierce, uncompromised reminder of what it truly means to be a powerful, unbreakable modern man who commands his own destiny and rules his own mind.